If you want to change icon shape on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, if you want to create your own custom icon style, then in this case we want to go to the Galaxy Store. Over here we're going to use the search button in the upper right corner, and then you can search for the theme park, which is an app provided by Good Luck. We're going to install it, and this app allows us to customize the icon style. We can create our own one. So once the app is installed, we're going to open it. Wait a couple of seconds. Now over here we can switch to the icon category, and then we can choose create a new over here at the bottom. First we can choose the shape that we wish to use on our phone. So let's say I'm going to choose something like this. You can also tap on color in case you want to set up a color or something for the background of the shape. We can also go to effects in order to apply like an emboss effect, glass effect, and so on and so forth. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We can also make some additional adjustments. We also have a gradient and so on and so forth. Duotone and film grain. So in my case, I'm going to use the, let's use maybe the gradient option actually in here. And we can also go to icon, of course, in order to choose an icon pack, or use the monochrome option by selecting a color from here. However, keep in mind that some third-party apps, or actually most of the third-party apps, might not be affected by this change, or, I mean the color, of course, unfortunately. Once you create the theme pack, we should be able to use this download button in the upper right corner to save the icon pack. We can set up the name, press OK, and then we can tap on that theme in order to apply it. And there we go, we have new icon style for our phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.